In order to get an iPhone ringtone on POCO X7 Pro, we can open the Play Store and we're gonna search for an app that allows us to download an iPhone ringtone. So what you can do is enter iPhone ringtone and then select it. Now there are multiple different apps that you can use, of course. However, I'm gonna choose this one over here as an example in this video. So let's download and install the app, and once it is done, of course, we want to open it. We don't really have to allow for notifications. And now over here we have some example ringtones, or categories actually. So I'm gonna choose iPhone 13 as an example, and we can tap on this play button in order to hear how it sounds. And if you like the ringtone, if you think it matches what you wish to have, then you can tap on the ringtone itself, and then you can set as a ringtone. So I'm gonna choose this option, and we're gonna set it as a caller ringtone. You will be redirected to this option where we need to allow the app to modify system settings so that the app can actually set the ringtone. And we're gonna go back and once again set as a caller ringtone. And there we go, we have set the new ringtone successfully. So now, just to make sure that it is actually set, we can go to the settings, sound and vibration, and unfortunately it is not really set for some reason. So we're gonna go over here to the ringtone, we're gonna choose local ringtone, audio files, and now this audio MP3 file with numbers is the ringtone. Of course, we need to select it, and we can recognize that this is the one that we just tried to use based on the time. So it is matching the time, it is the most recent download. So we're gonna press OK. We can tap on it in order to hear the preview, and it is exactly what I wanted. So we're gonna press apply, press OK, and there we go. We have applied the iPhone ringtone successfully. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!